da day day da dom da 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 day da 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 dom da 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 dom day dom da 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 day da day da 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 dom day dom da 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 day da day da 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 dom day dom day da day 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 dom day dom day da dom day da day dom day dom day da day dom day dom day dom day dom day da 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 dom day dom day da day dom day dom day da dom day dom day da day 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 dom.
Welcome to Indira Gandhi National Open University and its School of Performing and Visual Arts. Indira Gandhi National Open University is venturing to offer art education through open and distance learning. Music, dance and theatre are the three major learning areas under performing arts. We have designed 3 practical courses for you in Bharatanatyam, each carrying 6 credits and 75 marks. Practical 1 focuses on Nritya, Practical 2 focuses on Nritya and Practical 3 focuses on music in dance. You would be learning from Guru Saroja Vaidyanathan. Guru Saroja Vaidyanathan is a disciple of Guru Lalitamma and Kattumannar Kovil Muthukumar Pillai. She also learnt music from Professor P. Sambamurthy of Madras University. She is the founder president of Ganesh Natyalaya in Delhi and has won many awards. The notable ones are the Padma Shri from the Government of India, the Kalai Mamani from the Government of Tamil Nadu and the Sahitya Kala Parishad Award from the Government of Delhi. She has choreographed many mythical and social themes besides authoring 4 books on music and dance.
यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववान्मयं साङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववान्मयं आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादिकं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादिकं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवम् आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववान्मयम् आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववान्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादिकं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादिकं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवम् सात्विकं शिवम् शिवम्
Now I have taught you the first chapter, all the hastas, adavus, alaripu, rupakatala tirmanam, then aditala tirmanams, and also along with that the basic exercises for Bharatanatyam. Now I want you to do the Vedas for Abhinaya. Abhinaya is expression, you know. Abhinaya, you express. Abhinaya mein very important is Mukhabhinaya. I am telling it in a easy way to you understand. Otherwise, if I use a highly technical words, you may not understand. Mukhabhinaya, the face is very important for your expression. The eyes, the neck and the head gives the full expression. Of course, Angika Abhinaya is very important. You also gestures. You show the hastas, you move, you do the adavus, you do angikam, abhinayas through the angikam, through the body, you also express. But now we will go for the Mukhabhinaya. Mukhabhinaya mein there are so many divisions. The eyes, the eyebrows, the lips, the teeth, the tongue, the cheek, the nose, everything has their own abhinaya, own expression. But now we will take the eyes, the neck and the face. Shirobheda, Drishtibheda. You can call it Drishtibheda, you can call it Netrabheda, then the Khandabheda, Grivabheda. Khandam, Grivam, everything is neck. I have taught you the Vedas. Can you show me the Shirobheda? How many varieties are there? There are 8 varieties of your movements of your head. If you move, there is some meaning. If you look down, there is some meaning. If you move right and left, there is some meaning. If you do this one, there is some meaning. So can you just say the technical words and show your face how it moves?
Samam, Utvakitam, Adhomukam, Alolitam, Tudam, Kampitam cha, Paravritam, Ukshitam, Parivakitam.
How many kinds of Drishtibheda you have? That is Netrabheda, the eyes movements to express. There are 8 movements of the eyes. Can you show me that one?
Sure, Guruji. Samam, Alolitam, Sakshi, Pralokite, Nimilite, Ullokite, Anuritecha, Tata Chaiva Kalokitam.
How many varieties of the Grivabheda, Khandabheda? There are
4.
4.
Sundaricha, Tiraschina, Tataiva Parivartitaha, Prakampitacha, Bhavakne, Neya Griva, Saturpita.
Now you have learnt the Shirobheda, Drishtibheda and Khandabheda.
Samam, Udvahitam, Adhomukham, आलोलितं धुतं कंपितं च परावृत्तम् उक्षिप्तं परिवाहितं नवधा कथितं शीर्षं नाट्यशास्त्रविशारदे समम् आलोकितं साची प्रालोकित निमीलिते उल्लोकित अनुवृत्ते च तथा च एव अवलोकितम् इति अष्टौ दृष्टिभेदा स्युः कीर्तिताः पूर्वसूरिभिः सुन्दरिश्च तिरश्चिन्ना तथैव परिवर्तिता प्रकम्पिता च भावज्ञैर्ज्ञेया ग्रीवा चतुर्विधा
The second practicals, you learnt the Shirobheda, the Netra Veda and the Griva Veda. All the movements of your head, eyes and the neck, how to use it. Each glance of your Netra Veda gives you a feeling. This is called bhava, your expression. You express through your head, the netra and kanda and show what you are feeling. One is rasa and one is bhava. What is the difference between rasa and bhava? Rasa is the inner feeling which you are coming out truly. Bhava is acting. So generally the dancer, they do the bhava, and the rasikas, the audience are the rasikas who really enjoy and take it as a true feeling. So bhava is acting, rasika is enjoying the bhava, rasikas. Generally we have 8 or 9 expressions, main expressions. In each expression we use the Shirobheda, the Khanda Veda, the Netra Veda. Not only these things, we use the whole body, the major and minor limbs, to use the feeling, the expression to show. Rather going in a very elaborate way, I will start with the Navarasas. There are 9 main expressions, Navabhava. You have, the first is Shringara. Here also again I would like to say that Vachika Abhinaya is full of music, lyrics
words which gives the expression. Vachika abhinaya. In music also we have the feelings, the raga which can give the feeling. Shringara rasa, it's a very beautiful romantic rasa. You have always smiling face, you have love in your eyes, and everything is so full of happiness. Here you have to go with a raga which gives a pleasing swaras, like Vasanta, Kalyani, sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re Nitya, here you hear the raga. If you close your eyes, you will be in a romantic platform. How to show the romantic feelings? Yes, this is blossoming of flower, and it blossoms. It gives a beautiful scent, beautiful smell to you. And the bee comes. This is a pair. How beautiful it looks. Then how can you show the two birds? Making love. And they fly. Here, a beautiful garden full of trees. And the river. You enjoy. And your lover comes. That is the ultimate get together. But you're shy. Snigdha, can you act the Shringar? Now I have shown so many things. Apart from that, can you show something else? Imagine something. You could show something very, very gives you romantic feeling.
Maybe the union of Krishna and Radha.
Yes, Krishna and Radha.
Tadana na The face is so flexible, full of smile, full of happiness and expectations and fulfillment. This is Shringar. Second comes Hasya. Hasya is laughter, the smile. There are so many varieties of laughter, smile. You smile seeing a friend. You smile seeing your lover. You really laugh seeing a funny situation. Or the wicked smile. Anuradha, can you show some wicked smile where I should not say the smile, it is not smile, it is a laugh, where you really felt that he is a villain, is a negative character who gives this laughter of achieving something or going to be achieved something or going to see something. Can you tell me what you are going to predict?
I'm showing Dushasana dragging Draupadi to the court and trying to disrobe her.
Yeah, that's a very beautiful scene for Dushasana's laughter.
Tadara na 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 tadana na 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 tadara na 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 tarana na tarana na tarana na Tadari na 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 tarana na 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 tarana na tarana na tarana na 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 tarana na na tadari na na
Laughter, Dushasana. Laughed when he dragged Draupadi. So the smile, it is not only the smile, very soft or very happiness. Can you show the happiness with the friends, how you are going to play? You play garba, you play ball or you play anything, but your friends are so happy with you. Can you show? It's beautiful. She showed the cynical way of laughing. You don't know anything. You lost the ball. It's beautiful. The third one is Karunya. Karunya is also way of kindness. This is kindness, Shringar is love, but both the feelings are subtle. Here, the love towards your child, the love towards any wounded person, or you pity, or you feel sad, that is Karunya. Here, the Karunya, generally in mythology, we bring Krishna and Yashoda, because Krishna is always very fond of butter and Yashoda is very fond of Krishna. And she could not bear any Sakis coming and complaining about Krishna. She scolds him and pities for Krishna, though she knew that Krishna was not he. Can you show that one? Here you put your face in a very subtle way, and your Angika Abhinaya is also very essential in this. You saw the expression. She is so fond, so loving, so subtle in the face. This is not a rigid face, she showed. My Krishna, my beloved. This is kite and Raudra. Now Raudra. Raudra is entirely an opposite expression. In Mukhabhinaya, though we always emphasize on Shirobheda, Netrabheda and Kandabheda, but the other parts, Upanga, the other parts of the face, which is the brow, eyelashes, eyeballs, teeth, tongue, lips, cheeks, ear to a certain amount, and the forehead are all used for expressions. In anger, you use your eyes, you widen your eyes and frown your forehead. That automatically, when you make rigid your face, it automatically shows the anger. The same widen the eyes can give so many feelings. You can show bhaya, you can show anger, you can show surprise. by moving the other upangas of your face. Now the anger. Anger is, you can do with showing your eyes like this, or with a frowned eyebrows, or the Shirobeda, you can use Kampita, or you can use even your footwork and your weapons to kill. Even the killing is done by anger. Can you show, I am giving negative, can you show some anger in any character which you have seen, a mythology character or any? Which you are going to? Mahishasuramardini, the Devi, she comes in her Swarupam to kill Mahishasur, the demon. Can you show anything? Now she showed Devi, Mahishasur Mardini. Can you show some other in anger? Like Rama killing Ravana, like that. No, Veeram. Veeram is bravery, valor. Yes. Even on the 26th January, you can see so many people riding on the elephant in the Republic Day who had done the deeds, brave deeds, and were acknowledged by the government. But here, bravery is your chest is in front, you have a majestic look and the majestic smile, not a romantic smile, not a cunning smile, not a wicked smile, but romantic, majestic, who really shows the hero. Can you do any mythology hero had done? Which one you are going to show?
I'm going to show Rama breaking bow at
The Shivadanush.
The Shivadhanush at Sita Swayamvar.
Sita Swayamvar. Fine.
Tadari na na tadana na na tadana tadana na 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 tadari na 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 tadara na 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 tadara na.
Here you are seeing Rama. Though Sita was very pretty, but he was not intoxicated by Sita's beauty, but still he had the face of majestic. Look, that is, can you show again? The Rama's smile and
Tadari na
this is the one. Neeraj Kapoor. Now comes Baya. In Veeram, you don't open your eyes, you don't widen your eyes, but it's majestic. But in Bhaya, you use your Upanga so beautifully. You raise your eyebrows, open your eyes, and roll your eyes. You are afraid. Even by closing your eyes, you show the Bhaya. Slowly. Now you saw the Bhaya widening your eyes, Raudra widening your eyes. Lot of difference. The moment you widen. Now it's Bipasta. Bipasta is hatred. Hatred. You frown your forehead. You don't like. You hate. You rebel. You don't want to see the sight. You don't want to see the person. It's a rebelling. When you rebel, your Angika Vinaya also acts. See your lips. Lips are widened, frown, and your eyes are also widened, not wide or not closing, not romantic, but something gives you the hatred. So this is like this. Can you tell me any character in any story or mythology whom you hate? Surpanaka. Surpanaka became a very beautiful woman to induce Rama. Can you show the Surpanakas? How she came and how Rama and Lakshmana seeing her Now comes Atpuda, the surprise. Surprise. Again, your eyes are widened, your eyebrows are raised, or in a very positive way. If the Upangas are in positive way, you show the surprise. Smile, your eyebrows are raised, your eyes are widened, and but at the same way, the surprise can be shown in a negative way also. You are hearing some news, bad news. How will you act? Surprise. Can you show any surprise, Anu? in mythology or even nature, in any circumstances. Krishna's the universe, when he eats mud, then Yashoda comes and scolds and she shows the whole universe. Yes, she's so surprised that she never realized that her child was a god who could show the universe. In the last expression, Shantam, you don't widen your eyes. Your face is subtle. Your eyes are half closed. The Shantam comes when you are calm, when you are meditate, when you are very happy and fulfilled. We have a Lord, Buddha. We always refer him as the God for Shanta. You can see our face and our eyes. When you are doing Ashirvad with subtle face and the smile in your face, and when you pray, God,
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
Up till now, in the second practicals, you have learnt the Vedas, Shirobeda, Netrabeda and Grivabeda, and also the Navarasas, the 9 bhavas, the 9 moods, how to explain it through your Mukhabhinaya. Now, after explaining those things, I am coming to your Padam. Padam is the syllabus which gives you the elaborate expressions, different moods within a song. this practicals, I am selecting one song, Netrandi Nerathile. This is a very romantic song written by Subbaraya few hundred years back, and here the Nayaka is Kartikeya, Lord Subramanya, and the Nayaki is the lover, is the devotee. In the first line, you can see the variations of the love in this song. In the first line, she says to his Lord, to her Lord, okay, "Oh Lord, yesterday in the twilight time on the river bank, I saw you with another woman who is glancing at you and calling you. Who is that, my Lord?" Netrandi, that is the sun and the moon in between the twilight, Nerathile, in the time. Neeradum, you have bath in a river. That bank, Neeradum Karaidanile. Did you understand? It's not day, it's not the night, it's a twilight. It is on the banks of the river. Neringi, very near. Neringi ummayu, jade kaati. She glanced at you. Araitaval, she is also inviting you. Yaro Swami, who is that Lord, my Lord? She is pleading to her Lord that who is that? I saw one lady coming and glancing at you and calling you. Who is that? Anuradha, can you do the same thing which I showed you?
நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி.
You are seeing the Nayika, the devotee pleads to him, who is that, my Lord? The second line, Netrandi Nerathile Neeradum Karaidanile Neringi ummai jadai kaati அழைத்தவள் யாரோ Swami. You are taking little liberty with guts. You say, I have seen that woman coming to you. Come on, my Lord, who is that? Tell me. Snigdha? Little more boldness.
நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைத்தனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி.
No, you show little more anger in your face. Little you are disturbed by seeing that girl. Yaro Swami. everything.
நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி.
So now she pleaded. She got little disturbed also, but the Lord is not answering. So third line, she really says, "Oh Lord, I've seen that lady, please tell me who is that?" She's frustrated. ஏட்டந்தி
நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி.
ஏட்டந்தி நேரத்திலே
நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி. நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடையை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி.
This is the first line, this is the Pallavi. நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரையா, யாரோ சுவாமி. This is Pallavi. Anupallavi. Nerti Mamayil. Nerti means very beautiful, very prosperous to look at. That sort of a peacock. He came in the peacock. Kartikeya's Vahan is peacock. Nirti Mamayile Rumkanda. You are such a great hero. Nirumavalum, you and she. Nirumavalum Yediredirai. In front of, both of you standing in front of, seeing each other. Nitkayile, you were standing, seeing each other, intoxicated. Chokayile, you were both intoxicated with each other. I was Pakatile Irundhen Swami. I was standing by the side and seeing this scene. Nirti Mamayile Rumkanda Nirumavalu Ediredirai Nitkayile Shokayile Pakatile Irundhen Swami.
நேர்த்தி மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிர் எதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையிலே பக்கத்திலே இருந்தேன் சுவாமி. நேர்த்தி மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா.
This is one sort of feeling that you were standing, seeing each other, intoxicated. I was there seeing this scene. The second, another type of abhinaya you can show is
நேர்த்தி மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிரெதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையில பக்கத்தில இருந்தேன் சுவாமி. நேர்த்தி மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிரெதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையிலே பக்கத்தில இருந்தேன் சுவாமி.
she is very frustrated. The another type of abhinaya, she is angry.
நேர்த்தி மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிரெதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையிலே பக்கத்திலே இருந்தேன் சுவாமி.
She is just making little smile, cynical smile, and saying that yes, I saw your fun.
நேர்த்தி மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிரெதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையிலே பக்கத்திலே இருந்தேன் சுவாமி.
So can you do the whole line, Pallavi and Pallavi, in your own imaginations, in your own, how can you do it? You know the meaning, that the first line is, in the bank of the river, I saw you both. But when you were intoxicated with each other, I was standing by the side. Can you show it? One line.
நேற்றந்து நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைத்தனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்த அவள் யாரோ சுவாமி. மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிரெதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையிலே பக்கத்திலே இருந்தேன் சுவாமி.
Sigda, can you do the same thing, giving another repetition? What she did, she went to the bank. She was taking the water, but she heard some noise and sound and saw what's happening now.
நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைத்தனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜாடை காட்டி அழைத்த அவள் யாரோ சுவாமி. மாமையில் ஏறும் கந்தா நீரும் அவளும் எதிரெதிராய் நிற்கையிலே சோக்கையிலே பக்கத்திலே இருந்தேன் சுவாமி.
So there are in the same line, only one line in Pallavi and the Anupallavi. How many predictions, how many meanings you could bring in the Padam. Now comes to Charanam. Charanam, she is frustrated woman. She had seen these two people together. She must be very clever. She thought that now fighting with him, no use. So she comes out with some other trick. she says, "Oh Lord, have you forgotten the way we played with each other? We were so romantic for so many days. You forgot about it. Think about it. Remember that. Come to me, oh Lord. I'm just longing for you." This is the pleading way. She thought that no use of abusing or getting frustrated. So this is Charanam.
முந்தானாள் என்னிடத்தில் சொந்தம் போல வளர்ந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகமதை தந்து.
He says, those times, have you forgotten Mundanal? Have you forgotten those times? என்னிடத்தில், you came to me, என்னிடத்தில் வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி. You just told so many sweet things and you made love with me and you promised me that you won't go from me. Have you forgotten, my Lord? Have you forgotten that you gave me so many priceless gifts? Have you forgotten that? Even now I am having your garland, your necklace, your clothes which you gave me. Oh Lord. Now, Snigdha, முந்தானாள் என்னிடத்தில் சொந்தமுடன் கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோக வலையை தந்து. Can you do it?
முந்தானாள் என்னிடத்தில் சொந்தம் போல கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை தந்து.
Anu, can you predict in your own way?
முந்தான அந்தி நேரத்தில் சொந்தமுடன் கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை
One more line.
தந்து. முந்தானாள் என்னிடத்தில் சொந்தம் போல கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை தந்து.
Oksana, can you do in your own way? This is in Padam. You can really bring out the Sanchari Baba in your own predictions, in your own imaginations, and it is endless. Padam is the last in syllabus, which gives you the lot of scopes for Abhinaya.
முந்தானாள் அந்தி நேரத்தில் சொந்தமுடன் கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை தந்து.
After that she says, yes, now maybe Lord Kartikeya remembers. மன்னவா உன் நினைவு கொண்டு, oh Lord, thinking about you, I could not eat. See me, how lean I have become. மன்னவா உன் நினைவு கொண்டு அன்னம் கொண்டோரு மாதமுண்டு. I have become so lean because of your thinking and my loneliness. See, please come, my Lord. Varumaiya, please come. Varumaiya, Enduraye. Endure means my Lord, my beloved, my love. Tirumaiya, please come and make me happy. Remove my all distractions, all my unhappiness. Marumaiya Yalduraye Tirumaiya Yen Kavalai. She says, please come, my Lord, be with me. I want to be with you, and we can be very happy. Can you do it? You can do from the Mundanad, whole line together.
முந்தானாள் அந்தி நேரத்தில் சொந்தமுடன் கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை தந்து மன்னவாவும் நினைவு கொண்டு நம் கண்டொரு மாதம் உண்டு வறுமைய தூரைய தேரோமய கவலையே.
Roxana?
முந்தானில் என்னிடத்தில் சொந்தமுடன் கிட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை தந்து மன்னவாவும் நினைவு கொண்டு நம் கண்டொரு மாதம் உண்டு வாருமைய தூரைய தேரோமய கவலையே.
Anuradha? Anuradha, you can end it with Varumaiya. Here in this padam, you can choreograph as you like. Here I want you to take your Lord inside, that he is accepting your love, he remembers, and you both are going together. You end with that.
முந்தானாள் என்னிடத்தில் சொந்தமோல விட்டே வந்து முத்து முத்தாய் சரசமாடி மோகவலையை தந்து மன்னவாவும் நினைவு கொண்டு நம் கண்டொரு மாதம் உண்டு வாருமைய தூரைய தேரோமய கவலையே. வாருமையா நீ வாரும் ஐயா, நீ வாரும் ஐயா, நீ வாரும் ஐயா.
This is in Husaini Ragam, Aditalam, written by Subbaraya. It's one of the padam which has two kinds of feelings. One is she is frustrated, another she is so smart to take him with her. This is the padam Husaini, and now you will be seeing in the chart the song, that is the lyrics, Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charanam, and the meanings of the words, that is the lyrics.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara